What are angels made of? Spirit, not flesh. Angels are not made of flesh and blood like humans. According to the Bible, angels are spiritual beings created by God. They are made of spirit, not physical matter. Here are some biblical references that explain what angels are made of. 1. Hebrews 1:14 NIV. Are not all angels ministering spirits sent to serve those who will inherit salvation? Meaning, angels are spirits, not physical beings. They can appear in human form, but their true nature is spiritual. 2. Psalm 104:4. He makes his angels spirits, his ministers a flame of fire. Meaning, angels are described as spirits and sometimes as flames of fire, showing their power and energy. 3. Luke 24:39, Jesus speaking after resurrection. A spirit does not have flesh and bones, as you see I have. Meaning, spirits, like angels, do not have flesh and bones, unlike Jesus in his resurrected physical body. Summary: angels are created by God. They are spiritual beings, not made of physical elements like humans. They can appear physically if God allows, but they are naturally invisible. They are intelligent, powerful, but not divine like God. For more videos, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.